Coordinating conjunctions. The power of and, but, or, and more. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today we are going to talk about a very important grammar topic: coordinating conjunctions. Understanding these will drastically improve both your spoken and written English. In English, coordinating conjunctions are simple, short words that connect words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance or structure. They are essential in creating compound sentences and adding complexity to your writing. The primary coordinating conjunctions in English are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and, so. You can easily remember them with the acronym FANBOYS. Now let's take a look at how each coordinating conjunction is used. For explains a reason or purpose, similar to because. Example: she was happy, for she had passed her exams. And adds one thing to another. Example: she likes to read books and watch movies. Nor connects two negative ideas. Example: she doesn't like coffee, nor does she like tea. But shows a contrast or difference. Example: he is young, but he is wise. Or presents an alternative or choice. Example: would you like tea or coffee? Yet introduces a contrasting idea that defies expectations. Example: he works hard, yet he always has time for his family. So indicates a result or effect. Example: he studied hard, so he passed his exam. It's time to practice. Try creating your own sentences using each of the coordinating conjunctions. This will help you get comfortable with their usage and meaning. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's all for our video today. We hope this lesson on coordinating conjunctions has been helpful. Keep practicing and you'll surely improve your English grammar. Stay tuned for more English learning videos. Happy learning!